Canada is an immense land, a diverse land filled with valuable natural resources and skilled people. Canada is a global mining leader, producing over 60 minerals and metals, including those in high demand for today's economy. It takes considerable mining talent to explore for and extract Canada's extensive metals and minerals. Canada has and continues to develop a skilled and diverse workforce. Innovation drives Canadian mining's success and helps achieve economic, social, and environmental goals. For years now, Canada's exploration and mining industry has led the world in sustainable mining policies and practices, a commitment that continues to grow. Canada is a leader in responsible mining that focuses on safety, building strong communities, and demonstrating environmental stewardship. Canada's mines provide the critical materials that build and power our most important everyday items and our future. Canadian mining brings solutions to global issues, feeding the world and fueling the green revolution.